How's it going, guys? Today in this video I'm going to be replacing my valve cover gasket. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the items that are in the way. Okay, now that I got all that stuff out of the way, I need to get some of this wires out of the way also. So let's see how this works. Oh, there went something old. There you go. So over here is pretty much gone. Gone, but not forgotten. Alright. And I think I should make this a little bit loose too. There we go. That's nice and loose. Okay. Okay, you know what, guys? There is a clip back here. See that right there? I unclipped that. So this wire harness, I can move now. I'll go see if there's another one on the other side. Okay, guys, there was in fact another clip down there. Sorry, I can't show it to you, but it's all the way behind there. All right. Okay, guys, now it's time for the valve cover removal. There are, let me see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 bolts, and I want to start with this last one in the back. It's really hard to get to. Well, not that bad, but yeah, and I just found out that it's pretty loose for some reason. I don't know why. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen up everything and then I'm gonna remove it. Oh, that was loose. Uh-oh. That one's pretty tight. Oh, that's loose. Please don't break. Please don't break. Please don't break. Please don't break. Oh boy. Yep. Just broke. Oh crap. That's not good. Alright, guys, I got all the bolts out. Now here's the really fun part. Rubber sledge. Bang it. Been on here for a while. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. There you go. That's the sound I like. Okay, guys, this should have been step 1 of fun. Vacuum all over the area and grab all the dust. My bad. Get out. Yeah. Why? That has to get out of here. $10mm. Put these back so I don't lose them. Ah, sucker. Oh yeah, that's a whole lot easier. Alright, what's going on? Oh, the gasket. At least wants to come off. There we go. Okay guys, there it is. There's the old one. Out. And now, the next step is clean all the mating surfaces. And all the way back there. Alright. Check it out. Oh, don't want to drop anything in there. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this old gasket and remove the spark plug seals. So, I'm really glad that this is coming out so good. All in one piece. Oh, it's broken right there. Alright. And now for the seals. I'm going to use a punch and punch it from the back or the front. Hopefully that would work. Oh, maybe I can just pry it. Alright, it's raining and my flashlight doesn't want to work. Alright. And that's how you do it, buddies. I bet you wouldn't be so tough if I had leverage. Oh yeah. Oh man. Okay, I'll be taking out these half moon parts too. There you go. There you go. I got some termites. Time to take a break. Okay guys, here's the half moons out of the truck. According to my book, it said it was rubber, so I picked up new ones. And I guess there was some RTV sealing on here. Can you see? Sorry, it's like dark now. Oh yeah, freaking termites. Time to take a break. Okay guys, it's time to install the spark plug tube seals. My brass punch. Hit it all the way around. That'll do it. How's it going, guys? Okay, here is the next day, and I tried drilling it and using a stud remover, but it did not work. So I ended up drilling the hole a little bit bigger, and I'm just going to use a bolt and nut for this part. Alright, okay, let me just clean the mating surface for these half moons. Alright. Okay, put some gasket maker on this bugger. I guess a lot goes a long way. Okay, just go in there. Slap it right in there. Alright, I'll be installing a new PCV valve grommet. All right. Ooh, that's stuck. Come, come. Come, come. Come, come. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. New grommet. There's the part number. Put it in. Slap it in. Oh, yeah. There's the part number. Ooh, bugger tight. Oh yeah. She's not going anywhere. Extra seals. Take off the old ones. And my step bolt. Let's see if it fits. Yeah. Alright. Alright, let's get this valve cover gasket on. There's the part number I'm using. Alright. Moment we all have been waiting for. Seems to be lined up. Sliding right into the spark plug seals. We do have contact. And I believe that's it. Screwed in. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be tightening from the middle and work my way out. I'm also gonna be changing my PCV valve hose. That's the part number right there. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to wrap everything up, plug everything back in, and double check everything. So that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very, very much for watching this, and a big shout out goes to my father-in-law for helping me out drilling this out. This bugger right here. I'm glad it's in the front of the engine. But yeah, we made our own boat and it works. So that's it. And yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking right now, and thank you very much. Have a nice day. Aloha. Hold the clamp is the wrong way.